T2 Biosystems again, ticker TTOO. You guys, 51 cents. We're obviously seeing a ton of profit selling today, which was probably expected here from TTO. 300 million in trading volume as well. Just absolutely massive trading volume. Second or third most heavily traded stock on the market today, behind EBET and NVOS. So NVOS made a video on earlier today. NVOS is definitely going crazy today. It's up 66%. T2 Biosystems TTOO is down 12%, but 296 million. Actually, let's refresh this because I think FinViz should update this. 298 million, but I think Yahoo's probably a little more accurate. 300 million here in trading volume. Again, I think TTO, no FDA approval was announced today, and I definitely think that is the biggest catalyst here for TTO, obviously. And I definitely think on a day where we're seeing red, we're seeing some profit selling, we're seeing just the overall correction on this price. I definitely think at 51 cents, wouldn't say it's the best opportunity to get in here, but who knows where this stock can go after this FDA approval. Like when that FDA approval, I don't want to say after because it's not confirmed. It has, I think today is actually the day. It's been the exact amount of days that essentially the FDA says it will take to approve applications. So I'm thinking maybe sometime later this week, if not maybe later today. Don't know the specificities on just the timeline when they'll announce the FDA approval here. But let's just get into this video. So this article here on Benzinga, right? And the trading volume is what's interesting to me here. I think we're just talking about TTO being a potential meme stock. You know, a lot of retail interest here. You can see your shares of TTO are moving on heavy trading volume. More than 265 million shares have been traded in one session, compared to the stock's 100-day average, 93 million. And obviously, when people are trying to buy on the way up, as I think a lot of people were yesterday, right? We're taking a look at the 5-day chart. A lot of people here were trying to buy in and get a position or add to their position here on TTO on the way up, thinking, you know, that we're going to see a high possibly tomorrow and into today. But we did see some profit selling, but it has remained relatively even. I mean, for 13%, for what it did yesterday, for it to only be down 13% today, I think is a good sign, right? We're like to see just the floor kind of remain high here, and that is what we're seeing with T2 Biosystems today. But let's just get into some other things here. Shout out to VQLE280Z on Twitter. TTO no DD needed, FDA clearance coming, but don't forget EBET, right? Which essentially EBET is the most heavily traded stock on the market today. I will maybe make a video on EBET here, and then also too, I wanted to share this. This is interesting. This is very, very interesting. So this is an article. I'm not sure what platform this article is on, but you can see your TTO, right? The shorts, right? The short sellers is what, I don't want to say directly ties to TTO, but it does have a significant impact on TTO's overall price just moving forward. You can see here in what, let's see if we can zoom in on this actually. I can't, but in what could be described as one of the most audacious financial gambles of the decade, short sellers targeting TTO stock are now teetering on the precipice of catastrophic loss. As the stock surges, defying the doom and gloom predictions of these bearish bettors, many are beginning to question if the group of shorts has finally bitten off more than they can chew. TTO, a company that has steadily showcased robust performance and innovative breakthroughs, has been on the radar of short sellers for a while now. Their bet that the company's stock would plummet. The reality, quite the opposite. TTO's recent announcements about strategic partnerships and groundbreaking research have sent the stock soaring to unprecedented heights. Financial analysts have been ringing alarm bells for the shorts. This isn't just a small misstep. A senior analyst at Wallstone Capital, this is a full-blown financial implosion in slow motion. And I think that's true. Like when people talk about TTO stock and they're talking about the short sellers and they're talking about the retail interest and they're talking about the amount of outstanding shares and they're talking about where TTO stock price was, we're talking about like 3 months ago or even 6 months ago or a year ago, right? We're talking about TTO trading at well above $1 for pretty much all, I mean, the last 6 months of 2022 was trading at well above $1. And we even just look at exactly 1 year ago, not saying TTO price was at $8.05. Now we take a look kind of at the 5-year chart for TTO, and we see that obviously it was trading back in 2021 at $189, but then it had a reverse split, right? So based on the current market cap, if it were to get back to those levels, I think it would be somewhere around $20, $20 plus obviously, which would be an insane multiplier from the current price. But I just think a ton of profit selling today. I think possibly, depending on what your average cost is, could be a good time to DCA here. But 14% to me is just not enough to go all in here and looking to acquire more. Again, I'm not a financial advisor, not financial advice. Let me know in the comments below how you guys feel about TTO stock. Drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and as always, have a great day.